Hi, dear students. I'm extremely happy to introduce you Dr. Daksh from BJMC Ahmedabad. He has secured rank 56 in this year NEET PG 2025. Hello, Dr. Daksh. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you so much.
So, how is your feeling now?
I'm very happy and satisfied with myself.
Okay, so we will slowly dissect through how did you prepare so that it can help your junior batches, your juniors, everyone. So,
Yes,
when did you start preparing from?
sir. I started from second year with the live classes of DAMS. I used to attend them every weekend as the schedule and make notes accordingly and then read accordingly.
अच्छा, तो सेकेंड एमबीबीएस में आपने प्री फाउंडेशन अटेंड कर लिया होगा. So,
Yes,
were you able to cope up with your college? Many people keep asking me, मतलब कि सर कॉलेज और डैम्स क्लासेस कैसे दोनों मैनेज हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा, कैसे किया आपने?
no, sir. ऐसा कुछ load तो नहीं था because every weekend you need to go and every day if you dedicate only 1 or 2 hours for the notes which you have made in the weekend, then it is fine. It is manageable with college as well.
ओके, दैट्स गुड. सो सेकेंड ईयर के बाद थर्ड ईयर में आपने क्या किया?
Sir, third year mein I continued with my own third year subjects as well as I completed all the final year and even first and second year subjects reading as well.
ओके, तो दैट्स
And
गुड,
for
दैट्स गुड.
live for live classes, what I did was if there is a short subject like radio, dharma, anything, then I used to make I used to make notes 1 week ahead via online lectures. And then I would go and attend the live classes as a form of revision. And if there are any doubts, then I used to go to sir and have one-to-one doubt solution. In that way, I approach the live classes in my third year.
That's one excellent approach that you have done for the short subjects, especially where you could finish them online as well.
Yes.
So then next in final year, apne, because you are also focused more on your university, how did you manage both, or did you shift totally towards university?
No, sir. I shifted to my university exam after like 6 or 7 months only. Before
Oh,
that, I used to study for NEET PG only. And then I completed my 19 subjects twice in my final year,
okay,
like
that's
six
good.
months and 6 months duration. In that way,
Okay.
I did it.
So that is very great. So you started early in second MBBS, third MBBS में आपने सारे सब्जेक्ट खत्म भी कर लिए थे. फाइनल
हाँ,
ईयर में आपने ऑलरेडी 2 रिवीजन कर लिया था.
हाँ,
तभी तो
हाँ.
आपको इतना अच्छा रैंक आया है बाय द वे. सो ओके, नेक्स्ट इन इंटर्नशिप लेट मी जस्ट लेट मी गो थ्रू योर इंटर्नशिप ईयर. हाउ डिड यू मैनेज, व्हाट डिड यू डू इन योर इंटर्नशिप?
Yes, sir. Internship was pretty tough for me because I don't know, my luck was like that कि थोड़े से talks department आए थे मुझे. So it
Mm-hmm.
was pretty hectic, but it was manageable. For first 1 or 2 months, it takes time to manage the work and then study, but eventually you can manage. Like if you get 3 to 4 days a week to study properly, then it is fine. Sometimes you won't, but you need to keep on practicing the MCQs. It is okay if you can't open the book and read, but if you do miss out on MCQs, then it would be a great loss.
Okay, so now what would you recommend your juniors who are currently in second year or third year? उनको क्या recommend करना चाहते हो? Because many people are like, मैं online करूँ या offline करूँ या face to face करूँ, live करूँ, recorded करूँ. So many things are there in the market. What would you advise them? What would be your one advice to them?
Sir, it would be like it is a subjective thing. For me personally, I like both things, but I prefer offline more because I have been trained like that since my 11th, 12th standard, that face-to-face study, one-to-one teaching, like that. So DAMS helped me in that. But if someone is not comfortable with that for sitting these many hours, then it is fine. You can switch to online methods as well. Everyone provides these online methods. So don't copy others. Do what you think it is right for you.
Okay, so internship में when did you start giving grant? When did you not internship? When did you start giving grant tests and all the tests?
Sir, as soon as I completed my third year MBBS university, I started giving GTs.
Okay,
Whether I have completed the syllabus or not, but I just started giving them GTs.
so your scores were how were your scores in the beginning in GTs?
Sir, my first GT score was 119 correct.
Okay.
And my last this one I got around 174 or 73 correct.
Okay. तो basically, so for all students, again, this is the same thing. जब भी आप शुरू करोगे, your scores will always be low, and it will keep
Yes,
improving, and
yes.
you just have to focus on the process.
You should consider your this score as कि मैं फाइनल में जाके देखूंगा तो मैं खुद पे हंसूंगा कि मेरे इतने कम मार्क आ रहे थे.
Yeah, actually that is retrospectively पीछे देखोगे तो लगेगा ही लगेगा ना.
हाँ.
So next, in internship, DAMS also provided with lot of things like live rapid revision, DVT. तो आपने कौन कौन से यूज किए इसमें से? PYQ का बाप था.
हाँ.
So which all sources you use? These are the rapid revision ones. So
So sir,
which all you have used and how
sir,
useful they were for
so
you?
the subjects which I felt were weak, I used INI PYT rather than LRR in that. I used the INI PYT to jot down in the whole subject in 3 to 4 days, 3 to 4
Hmm.
pages. Other the subjects which I was confident I didn't do any LRR or other than these PYT. And I used DVT when I was in my final year university. I
Mm-hmm.
was I was very tired of studying the same textbooks again and again for the university exams. So
Okay.
in that time, I completed the whole DVT booklet which was given to us.
Mm-hmm.
And then the current DVT for our batch, which happened in 2025, I went through the updates and added into my old DVT which I had already made. In that
Okay.
way, I did it.
Okay. So CBT, the test CBT, how many CBT did you give CBTs?
All CBTs I gave, sir.
Okay, that's good. So what were your scores in CBT?
Yes, sir. In first CBT, I got 160 correct.
Hmm.
Then it was 172, then
Hmm.
174, and then again 172 or 74. And in final exam also the same score.
Okay, and what were your ranks in CBT?
So they were under 50 only. I used to get around 33, 18, around
Okay,
those.
that so basically that means CBT is the gold standard. जितना CBT में rank आया लगभग उतना ही आपका even in
Uh,
NEET PG as well.
yes, sir.
So all those people who are interns currently take your CBTs very seriously. जितना भी rank आपका CBT में आ रहा है, roughly, I've spoken to many toppers now. All of them are having around similar ranks, whatever they got in their, final 2 or 3 CBTs, plus and minus. But yes, always that is how it goes. तो आपको ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट्स याद है कि हाँ यार इससे मुझे ना लाइफ मुझे चेंज लगने लग गया कि होल ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फॉर द नीट पीजी? ऐसा कोई इवेंट आपको याद है कि क्लास में ऐसे ये हुआ था, काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग? एनीथिंग यू वांट टू शेयर?
हाँ सर, when in offline classes were actually very good because उसमें 1-to-1 solving हो रहा था. फिर मैं ऐसे टीचर से कनेक्ट कर पा रहा था, मेरे पर्सनल डाउट सॉल्व हो रहे थे उसमें. So they were genuinely very helpful. And even after my INI attempt, I made a lot of mistakes in it. So I was very heartbroken at that time कि पढ़ रहा था उसके लिए, but I couldn't score in it. So then I analyzed myself, then joined all the Telegram groups of the DAMS sir and ma'am, and then I used to follow everything they say. I used to follow the quizzes on the Telegram app. In this way, those quizzes were like refining things for me because I knew the core subject and all. But some small keywords I used to sometimes miss. So those things came from the quizzes and the discussion groups on the Telegram.
So did you ever get FOMO by looking at others, or you never looked at others? What are they doing?
No, yes, sir. Every time it happens. It is normal.
सो टू गेट अ फोमो इज नॉर्मल. सो ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, तो उसको कोप अप कैसे किया आपने कि, और या तो आपने भी फोमो में यू एंडेड अप गेटिंग इन द ट्रैक और यू स्टेड ऑन द ट्रैक? व्हाट, हाउ डिड यू
No.
मैनेज इट?
I stayed on the track. I focused on myself. Ki I don't see ki other one is scoring 180 marks or 190. I used to see if I am getting 110, then next goal should be 115 or 114. In these way, I used to look onto myself only. And consistency is actual key. If you lose track of yourself, then however well you are prepared, eventually you may make a blunder.
एंड क्वेश्चन बैंक वगैरह कैसे आपने, DQBs वगैरह कब किए? व्हेन डिड यू डू एंड हाउ
I
वर
used
दे?
to solve them parallel to the live classes. So if I read a subject, then I used to solve the DQB like that. And sir, one thing I want to say that after
Mm-hmm.
INI,
Mm-hmm.
I gave all the DVD tests. I gave all the MIQ series. I gave
Mm-hmm.
all the completed all the 2025 class tests. I gave
Mm-hmm.
around 15 GTs of DAMS, and then I I even gave some of the new class tests which were meant for our juniors, the 2026 sessions.
Okay, that's so, huh?
Yes.
So
So, sir,
basically,
all
the
these things helped a lot.
Yep. So basically, for other students, let me just dissect out what he said. Initially, focus on building your concepts by reading into the
Hmm.
notes. And end mein jo hoga, once you finish all your notes and when you are, whether you're confident or not, start giving tests. And he himself is telling INI ke baad. So I'm talking from May to, August, you had around two and a half,
Yes,
3 months. And you are saying you gave around what, 15, 20 GTs and 5 CBTs bhi de diya, or, all class tests. So I'm talking almost you have given 100 tests in that 3 months time, almost every day one test
yes,
probably.
sir. About 140 tests total we have
Ha.
had.
So 140 tests in a span of 3 months. So matlab your average is coming almost every day one test you have, or maybe more than one test every day kind of a thing.
Yes. और
So
सर
that
वो
is how
ट्रांसफॉर्म 10x तो 2-3 एक दिन में सॉल्व करता ही था मैं.
So that is how actually you manage and accelerate yourself always.
Yes.
कि पहले बेसिक बिल्ड करो, उसके बाद टेस्ट दोगे तो मजा आएगा. तो
Hmm.
that is what you should be doing. So any advice you want to give to your junior batches from BJMC across Gujarat, across India, anything? You can even use your local Gujarati as well, if you want to connect with your juniors.
No, no, sir, it's fine. I would tell to everyone that studying is important, but it is also a mind game. To be very honest, it every eventually the 3 years which you have studied, it comes down to those 3 hours of the exams. If you fluster in them, if you panic, then it is gone. All the efforts that you have put, they may be wasted. So try to sharpen your mind. Try focusing on mental stability from the starting. That you do either do meditation or you do some exercise like that. You try to calm your mind from the starting. Try training your mind for that, because eventually that's the most important thing in the 3 years of the exam.
And see, at DAMS, we believe in, we are like a family with all students and all faculties.
Yes,
How was this family supportive to you in respect to non-academic? See, academic to hai, padhana to, matlab that is my job or my this one. But non-academically, how were, faculties helping you or the local staff helping you, everything? Anything you
yes,
want
sir.
to say?
Sir, in those Telegram groups, the every teacher used to write some motivational thing or something that it triggers you. Okay, yes, I may be doing this wrong, or I needed this some good words for me to start my day. So it indirectly, subconsciously helped me a lot. And then I want to personally thank Siddharth sir from PSM. Like he helped a lot to me. I used to personally DM him, and he used to like keep me like his child. He told me, "Okay, do this, do that, don't do this." So I made a strategy after my INI, but sir strictly told me not to follow it. He told me that you do the retrospective revision that I have told, and then you analyze yourself. And I did that, and I'm very helpful and thankful to him. That if I had made a mistake of again rereading my notes in depth, then I wouldn't have scored this much rather than giving these many tests in the short span of time.
Okay, so that's very good. So, what are your future interests? What do you want to do? What want to pursue in your life?
Sir, currently in my internship, I genuinely liked working in OBGYN and Ophthal.
Okay,
But still, I would talk to seniors and doctors and further make my decision regarding it.
definitely, definitely. So, at your rank, you will end up getting, all any branch wherever you want.
Yes,
So,
that's the
yep.
issue. I need to think properly now.
So now you are having another headache that you are having is, too much on your plate right now.
Yes,
What to
yes.
eat? That's a good headache to have, by the way. Okay, so thank you, Dr. Darsh. Thank you for enlightening all of us how to go ahead. Guys, all students, those who are listening to him, again, he started in second MBBS and start early. That is the key. The earlier you start, easier it becomes for you. Yes, we wish you all the best for your future endeavors, Dr. Dash.
Thank you very
Again,
much,
a
sir.
big round of applause from all the DAMS family for your awesome rank of 56 in this year NEET PG 2025. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Grateful to you.